Hi everyone! Today's video, I would like to share this simple cooking or simple menu for today. Tinatawag to guys na bubon salad, but it's our own version. Pero yung mga ingredients guys, pareho lang. So ayan po, meron siyang meat syempre, pero salad siya. Kasi yung ating mga ingredients guys, kagaya ng carrots at yung toge, kasi meron siyang toge. Then, ang ating onion, dalawang klase. Yung red onion at green onion. Green onion. And then, meron siyang garlic, syempre. And then, meron siyang cucumber at saka yung salad na mga leaves. Yung mga, ayan, yan, yung green na mga leaves. So, ayan po, ay amin pong tanghalian ngayong araw. So, ayan po guys. At ang sarap nito guys, at ang sauce nito ay napakasarap kasi kumpleto talaga to guys. Meron ng meat, merong pasta, merong salad, mga dahon-dahon at iba pa. So, kumpleto at ang nakapagpapasarap lalo nito guys, yung kanyang sauce. Thank you for watching! Love, love, love!